Look closely at the ancient Sumerian art. See the intricate details, the strange symbols. These are not mere decorations. They are messages from the past. These messages speak of a time before history, a time when gods walked among men. These gods, were they extraterrestrial beings? Evidence suggests they may have been. The Sumerians left behind incredible stories, stories of beings from the stars, beings with knowledge far beyond our own. These beings, the Anunnaki, are said to have created humanity. But how could the answer be found in the very building blocks of life itself? The Sumerian artwork depicts curious symbols, shapes that resemble the double helix of DNA. Is this a coincidence? Or did the ancients possess knowledge of genetics millennia ahead of their time? The answer might be more shocking than we realize. These symbols challenge our understanding of the past. They suggest an advanced knowledge of science, a knowledge that could rewrite our history books. The evidence is there, etched in stone and clay. The question is, are we ready to face the truth? DNA is the blueprint of life. It determines our traits, our abilities, our very existence. But what if this blueprint was not entirely our own? What if it was influenced, even engineered, by forces beyond our comprehension? Frequency wave theory offers a compelling possibility. It suggests that DNA is not just a static molecule. It is a dynamic antenna. It receives and transmits frequencies. These frequencies can influence its behavior. Imagine a world where DNA could be manipulated by sound, light, or even thought. This might sound like science fiction, but it aligns with the principles of frequency wave theory. If true, it could explain the sudden leaps in human evolution, leaps that traditional science struggles to explain. Some theorists believe that advanced beings use frequencies to manipulate DNA. They suggest that these beings, perhaps the Anunnaki, engineered humanity. Could this be the missing link in our understanding of human origins? The evidence is compelling, but the implications are profound. The universe is a symphony of frequencies. Everything vibrates at its own unique rhythm. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, frequency is the fundamental language of existence. Frequency wave theory proposes that DNA is particularly sensitive to frequencies. It suggests that specific frequencies can activate or deactivate genes. This could explain everything from spontaneous healing to rapid evolution. If true, it means that we are not simply products of our genes. We are also shaped by the invisible forces around us. Ancient cultures seem to have understood the power of frequencies. They built massive structures aligned with specific frequencies. They developed rituals and practices designed to harness the power of sound and vibration. Could this ancient knowledge be a clue to our own past? Imagine a civilization capable of manipulating frequencies on a grand scale, a civilization that could use frequencies to heal, to evolve, even to create life itself. This is the kind of power that the ancients attributed to the gods. Is it possible that they were right? The evidence is all around us. From ancient art to modern science, the possibility of extraterrestrial influence on human evolution is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. We are not alone in the universe, and we may not be the product of random chance. The ancient astronaut theory suggests that we are the descendants of extraterrestrial visitors. These visitors, perhaps the Anunnaki, came to Earth eons ago. They used their advanced technology, including their knowledge of frequencies, to engineer humanity. If true, it means that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. We are connected to a cosmic tapestry that spans time and space. Our destiny is not limited to this planet. It is intertwined with the stars themselves. The search for our origins is a search for ourselves. It is a journey into the heart of what it means to be human, and it may lead us to the stars.